So I wake up this comment on one of my Instagram videos, just like one of these videos this morning. It was the one I filmed yesterday morning, sitting out on the balcony, sun's coming in, and I was just talking about how I take 10 minutes each morning to reflect on yesterday and look at what's coming up for the day ahead, and how I found this to be a very beneficial practice in order to tackle the day with intentionality. Now, I actually said in this video, I do this before Liana, my partner, and Hendrik, our son, wake up, right? And so anyway, I wake up to this comment on this video this morning, and I don't normally give any airtime to this kind of shit because it's a waste, but this is relevant. This is very, very relevant. Okay, and this message says, or this comment says, you clearly don't have any kids. And I replied back and I said, well, try again, because I do, and I've got another one coming, and I have no intention of stopping this little, morning ritual that I've created. But, and by the way, this gentleman appears to be a coach for men, helping them, which is concerning. But this just speaks so much to the belief systems and the paradigms that people are carrying around day to day, this victim mentality of it's like, well, it's good for you, right? But I can't do that because there's these limiting beliefs, these excuses that if somebody's achieved something, there must be a reason that you're disadvantaged, and that's why you haven't done it, right? Now, in some cases, that is going to be the case. Yes, they've achieved something and they didn't have a certain time or energetic restriction, or they had more resources, connections, whatever, right? That is going to be the case. But what are you going to fucking do about it? That is life, right? We're all at different phases. We're all different ages. We all come from different backgrounds. We all live in different places. We all know different people. What are you going to fucking do about it? There's only one option. Just own it. And just take full responsibility. It's like, well, okay, this is my situation. Partly my responsibility that I got here, right? Partly not my responsibility, it's all your responsibility. Partly on my own doing, and partly the hand life dealt me, right? But looking at people online and saying they did that because blank, and using that as an excuse, or using that as a reason why you can't have a certain thing, it's bullshit. It's bullshit. And even just thinking in that way, even if you don't say it, even just thinking in that way with this like bitterness towards other people is going to cap you out so aggressively in whatever it is you want to achieve. Okay, that's my rant for today. This is super common. People struggle to be happy for other people who are successful. People look at people who are successful and think that they must have done something bad, or that they think that they've only done it because they didn't have insert thing that this person has to deal with. None of it's helpful. 100% responsibility for all of your shit, whether it's your fault or not, is the only option. And stop putting those limits and excuses in place, because they're not serving you.